Hey everybody, it's Collision 2023. I'm here with Curtis from the Boast team. How's it going, Curtis?
Really good, really good. Pumped to be here. Good to see you, Paul.
Awesome. Happy to see you in person. It's great to finally meet these people. Also, love that we're the same height. That's kind of been the same thing all day. Yeah, this is perfect. All right, so we got the 4 questions. First one, favorite thing so far? I know it's early, but...
Favorite thing so far? Well, 2 things. I'm going to say I already mentioned this to you, General Tao Sandwich at Heirloom. The big winners here are the food trucks.
I'm there next.
But legit, got to catch the CTO from Stripe talking this morning, and just incredible to get access to that type of person and that skill level, that experience here at Collision. So.
Yeah, no, that's so cool. That's the thing. I'm like, even though we're mostly talking to startups and we're out on the floor, the huge businesses and that we're seeing these people, like I saw Noel Schaefer from SEO, Moz, all of that, like worlds colliding. I love it. All right, so biggest surprise today?
Biggest surprise today for me, just the sheer volume of people that are here. I knew it was big. It's my first time at Collision. Maybe it's the prairie kid in me. I knew it was big. I knew what to expect, but just absolutely blown away with the sheer volume and diversity of people, folks from all over the world here pitching their startups.
Absolutely, yeah, that's been surprising to me too. I knew it was an international presence, but like
didn't realize how big.
The communities. Okay, it is raining on us, so we're gonna make it quick now. Okay, biggest lesson from today, if you
biggest lesson: be organized, have a plan. These conferences are so big. I talked to the people I wanted to talk to, but you just got to have a plan and a strategy because it's so big and you can't get it all. So you got to be really specific in, I need to be here.
Love it. Okay, now rain has come.
It's coming.
We're gonna leave. All right, what are you up to tonight? What's up for tomorrow? Rest of the week.
Really lucky for some of it. The Goodlawyer Alberta IoT at Collision yacht party is tonight. A very interesting idea of all the Alberta ecosystem where it's home for me here at Collision on a yacht. Hopefully the rain goes away. I was gonna say, super stoked.
That sounds awesome. Weather pending.
That's right.
Good stuff. All right.
Cool.
Great stuff. Thank you so much, Curtis.